If you're looking to implement a project management tool within your company this year, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you my top 5 reasons why I think you should be using Monday.com. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara, and I'm the founder of Simple Day, a partner of Monday.com, and we've done hundreds of implementations over the past couple of years. We help companies onboard to Monday, do custom implementations and integrations with other tools, as well as training. If you need any help, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. And I can't wait to meet you to explain to you how you can get the most out of the platform. The first reason that I think you should be using Monday.com is all about dashboards. There's tons of capabilities within the platform to create custom dashboards based on what you need to see. Now, we all know that it's great to list all of the details of the project and the timeline and the due dates and who's working on what. But if you can't visually see what is going on with your project, it's really hard to understand it. That's why you need things like Gantt charts or different graphs and charts or even a workload widget to understand, do people have enough tasks to do or not enough tasks to do? Being able to easily create these widgets, which are essentially just different charts and different views of your data, I think is critical within project management. And this leads me to the second reason that I think you should be using Monday.com. Project management does not exist in a vacuum. Yes, every company is doing tasks and running projects, but they're probably bringing in customers and managing a pipeline or managing current projects for their customers. They also may have ticketing systems that they need for their clients that are related to their projects. Or they may actually be using a dev team where they need to manage these projects. Now, that's the amazing thing about Monday, that it's not simply a project management tool. You have a number of different products that Monday offers, and they all seamlessly integrate. So you have the Monday CRM, you have Monday Dev, you have Monday Service, you even have Work Canvas and Work Forms. A lot of different products within Monday, and as I said, they seamlessly integrate. So I'm going to give you one quick example that I see a lot of my clients using. If you start with the Monday CRM, which is essentially where you're managing your leads. So as soon as a deal comes in, you want to mark that deal as closed. You've won that current deal. But then you don't want them to stay in your CRM. They need to move to your project management because now you all of a sudden have onboarding tasks, things that you need to do for this client. And that's where you can easily see how these tools connect. I can simply change a status within the Monday CRM, and it automatically creates my onboarding tasks within work management. So it's seamlessly connecting the different products. And this leads me to the third reason why I recommend Monday.com. In addition to the easy connection between the internal products, there's also tons of integrations with external products. So you can easily connect to Gmail, Outlook, MailChimp, HubSpot, Salesforce. There's tons and tons of different tools that you can connect. And there's easy automation recipes that you can use to trigger the flow of information between different tools. And this leads me to the next reason why I think you should be using Monday.com. Not only can you integrate different tools that I just mentioned, but you can actually also integrate AI chatbots. So there's something called an MCP, which essentially connects something like Claude or Copilot to Monday. What that means that I can be working within Claude and I can say, hey, Claude, go look at my Monday board and give me this information, or create tasks within my Monday board. I'm actually going to add a link at the top of this video where I explained how you can use the Monday MCP to connect to Claude. But it's the same idea of having these integrations and being able to connect to different tools, which really essentially is we're taking advantage of what AI has to offer. We all know that AI is the biggest buzzword, and every company is trying to figure out how they can implement AI within their company. Monday is working hard to implement AI, and it's becoming a basis and a foundation of how the platform works. You have new things like Sidekick, where you can actually chat with an AI bot directly on a task. And coming soon, they have the ability to view Sidekick Sidekick with your entire board. So you can essentially talk to AI and ask it about a project, understand every single thing going on within your boards and even across different products. The next reason, really, why I recommend Monday is for its AI capabilities. They're keeping up with the times and they're working hard to make this platform work with AI, not even work with it. Like it's taking it to the next level. They're having Monday be able to do work for you. They started launching AI agents. So within the CRM, you can have an agent that can actually find leads for you, and then it can actually call prospective clients. I think this AI change is happening within Monday, and that's going to be a game changer moving into the next year, which leads me to the final reason why I recommend Monday.com, and that is Monday Vibe. Monday Vibe is also an AI tool, but essentially it allows you to vibe code, which is essentially using AI to build out different apps. What this means is that even though you're using the framework of Monday and you get all the added benefits, the security, the permissions, the framework of using Monday, you also have the added advantage of using Monday Vibe, which means that you can decide how you want the platform to work for you. Obviously, there's some constraints because you're working within the platform, but you can build dashboards or workflows to fit your needs. You're moving out of this defined box of this is what Monday looks like or what it can do. And honestly, your creativity is what's holding you back. As much as you can imagine how you want it to look or how you want it to function, you can build that directly within the platform. So these are my 5 reasons why I think you should be using Monday.com. Again, if you need any help, feel free to reach out. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And I really look forward to meeting you.